Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here. I got done with stage 2 of the tractor, which the John Deere Waterloo boy, which is to make the fan run off of the engine. I took that whole hub assembly apart in the fan, and it was just made to flip over occasionally and look pretty. But took it all apart, made a brass hub that accepts a roller ball bearing, 3/16 ID by 3/8 OD. And then turned that down into a shaft, and then fitted the fan to the shaft, and put the spring belt on there, and voila. It should last for ages with no wear. Rubs a little bit right there, but it's so slick across there that I'm not too worried about it. If it wears it away a little bit, that's just fine. Alright, let's fire it up. And there we have it. Or not. There we go. I considered putting a jack shaft in there to slow the speed of the fan down, but I don't think I'm going to attempt that or mess with it. This suits me just fine. Anyway, that's that, and thanks for looking, folks.